Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you absolutely easy and beginner friendly stitch. You will not believe, but this stitch has only knit and purl stitches and can be used for scarves or cardigans, but just pay attention that this stitch will not work with cotton yarn. So cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 6 plus 2 extra stitches at the end and plus 2 selvage stitches. For my example, I cast on 34 stitches, and the first row slips the first stitch, and now purl 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 6 stitches we are going to repeat. Purl 2, knit 4, and again purl 2, knit 4, repeat till the end. Purl 2, knit 4. At the end, you remember we have 2 extra stitches, purl 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. We will always purl it. Turn row number 2, knit all knits and purl all the purls. So knit 2 and you see purl stitches, purl 4. And again knit 2, purl 4. Knit 2, purl 4, repeat till the end. At the end, again 2 extra stitches, knit 2 and purl 4. Now you go on repeating row number 1 and 2 again. So row number 3 will be the same as row number 1, row number 4 the same as row number 2, row number 5 the same as row number 1, and row number 6 will be the same as row number 2. So in total 6 rows. Let's repeat again. Row number 3, purl 2, knit 4. Purl 2, knit 4. Please go on and knit row number 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I will see you after. So that's what I have now. Row number 7, slip the first stitch, knit 3, purl 2, knit 1, and these 6 stitches now we are going to repeat. Knit 3, purl 2, knit 1. Let's repeat. Knit 3, purl 2, knit 1. And again. At the end, 2 extra stitches, knit 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn row number 8, slip the first stitch, purl 3, knit 2, purl 1, and let's repeat last 6 stitches. Purl 3, knit 2, purl 1, and repeat till the end. Purl 3, knit 2, purl 1. Now at the end, 2 extra stitches, purl 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. Now you go on repeating row number 7 and row number 8 twice more. So row number 9 will be the same as row number 7, row number 10 as row number 8, row number 11 as row number 7, and row number 12 will be the same as row number 8. Here I am, and that's what I have. After that, start repeating pattern from row number 1, where you need purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, knit 4, and so on. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please remember that this stitch will not work with cotton yarn or cotton blend yarn. It mostly works with acrylic and wool yarn. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Find the written instruction on my blog. Thank you again and see you soon. Bye!